sent Sanjay to a few forums regarding the Noise Abatement Act and how the parties are being affected. The latest forum was with sound system selectors, then we went to Bossy Tuesdays. It's kind of shocking.
Bad mind, bad mind, bad mind. Can't stop me thing. Them can't win.
The saga continues as dancehall strives to organize themselves in their battle against the Noise Abatement Act.
And Noise Abatement Act does not only confine to dancehall.
The views expressed are those of the Amen Prophet, and so it is my opinion that the Noise Abatement Act is simply an example of unfairness in our society, just prejudice in society.
For 2 million this family, I look at you, and build this enough. So it agreed me off, so I want.
Politicians practice this method of dividing and conquering.
Our problem is not organization only. I think they are frustrated because each time as policy has been put together and some change in administration, it starts all over.
This one reaching out to all the leaders and the media. This is Rodney Price, aka Poor People Governor. Well, poor people fed up. Do your system shake up. You issue gun for whipping me boss.
I really wanted to know if it's really the nurse them and really the people that are living at the inner city, the music are disturbed. Or this music is disturbing people who come build up infrastructure around the areas that events basically has been keeping for years.
Our coalition would be just like GMA for the Manufacturing Association, where the government can liaise with that association. We would be the liaison for promoters, selectors.
Dance all of me everything. Dance all of me everything. Jungle is Billy Bounce, yeah.
Why is it so important for you to make yourself present at these meetings right here? Why did you take the time out of your busy schedule?
No, well, this is something that I've always been lobbying for, and I tell people I don't lobby just for entertainment. I want industries for the poor, because as I said, those who used to look for wages have to start look for profit. Vendors, event promoters, taxi people, those are industries for the poor. And if we don't allow for the poor to make a profit and they can't make a wages, then they can't make a living.
Level of gentrification going on, where you realize that a lot of places building up all over Kingston. A lot of places where foreigners coming in and inhabiting. A lot of places that were reserved for entertainment are places that we basically used to go and, party then. So if a man come and build up an apartment near Uptown Mondays or named Stone Love, then the people who inhabit this apartment now, they might start complaining about the noise.
And it's important for John to be part of these events, these activities, these forums. Because even though you've not seen us take a very vocal position publicly, it does not mean that we do not have a serious interest in the overall matter.
The Noise Abatement Act versus dancehall. Welcome to Bossy Tuesdays, the early version. Shelly Belly, you make sure come at the party early, though.
Yeah, you know, so I go on the system set away, you know, so every chip get chopped.
This is a mini stadium, you know. The big stadium over here. Let's go get one to big stadium.
I'm so responsible.
19 Q Road, Bossy Tuesday.
At the new venue.
At the new venue, so no need for come out and come out early.
Everybody benefit from this, promoter, dancer, producer, artist, everything.
What's the new time?
The new time is 6 to 12.
How has that affected the event?
It affects the event real bad, Sanjay. It don't look good.
Earthlings coming like we're not even get a full run tonight.
You know, we have to comply with the law because the law said 12 and we are trying to set an example.
Few skanker them will come out early tonight. What inspired for make that extra effort there?
Dancing, we're working at that. You see me?
Time frame when I give the people them cannot work.
This a big man, I just to owe you. Yeah, you me see that the sky, and me and find the young. God knows, who don't want to stop the music, you want stop my food.
So all the police come out for you can hear. And all who have wrath as that type of person that will ever draw no things till morning and them gonna so still. They have learn say it's a different aspect of we got. So we are done it. Right now we alone and do this. And we alone and do this and we are trying to set an example as them still we are alone. We are done exactly 12 o'clock.
Boom, boom, 12 o'clock on the dot and I go.
12 o'clock on the dot without the peace officer them forward. Because you don't know we are maintaining the rules and maintaining the law.
Not selling, not even liquor.
Tell us how affected you as dancers have been by the early lock-offs.
When we come out now so early as dancers, I don't want to skank, you see me? Kind of not too like how we want it still.
What time you think would be a reasonable time to lock off the party?
Well, I mean, I said 2 o'clock still.
Yeah, man, we for the camera night time, man. You see? So me make my whole bed in a boss, not in Linus.
Bamboo girl, you come out as a dancer tonight. How the party look?
Party them a lock off 12 o'clock on the dot. No, we need to make them know say no music, no vote.
That's what you think there?
Right there, so.
Black Dice, you just reach and party, lock off.
Yeah, John no star. Feel a way about it, man. You know the thing go do.
Bossy Tuesdays from 6 till 12, making the best of it.